In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply fix no sound or audio on your Windows laptop. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, what you're going to do is that you're going to go over to this sound icon right over here at the bottom of your screen, and then right click and then select the sound settings option. Once you do that, make sure that the output option is selected, so you can simply drop this down. If it's dropped up, you just slowly drop it down, and then you can simply select your output audio. So make sure your speakers are selected. Then once you do that, you should want to make sure that your volume is turned all the way up. And then the second thing you want to do is that you want to scroll down and then click on the more sound settings option. Once you do that, it's going to show you this pop-up page right over here. What you want to do is that you want to make sure your speakers are enabled, and you can simply do that by right-clicking on the speaker you're using, and then if it says enable here, click on the enable. Mine says disable because it's enabled. Then what you want to do also is that you want to make sure that your speakers are set to default. So make sure that your speakers are set to default. As you can see, mine here, this one is already set to default, so it does not give me the option to set it. But if it gives you the option to set it to default, means it was not set, and you should set it to default. So once you do that, the other thing you want to do is that you want to right click on the speakers you're using and then click on the properties option. Once you do that, go over to the advanced option, and then you want to make sure that you want to turn off this option that says allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Make sure you turn it off, and then you want to make sure you turn off audio enhancement too. So turn this off too, then click on apply, then OK. So then once you do that, you can now check if your audio is working. If it's still not working, what you're going to do is that you want to go over to the start menu. So click on the start menu right over here, and then what you're going to do is that you want to search for troubleshoot. So search for troubleshoot, then click on this troubleshoot settings option. Once you do that, what you're going to do is that you want to click on this other troubleshooters option, and then you can simply click on run at the audio option. At the audio option, you can simply click on run, and then that will run and check if there is any problem with the audio, and it will fix it right away. So if that does not work again, what you can simply do is that you can then go back to the start option and then click, or rather search for services. So search for services, then click on it. Once you do that, you want to scroll down until you find the option that says Windows Audio. So scroll down and look for Windows Audio. It should be this one right over here. So once you do that, you want to then right click on it, and then once you do that, you want to click on the properties option, and then if you want to change the startup type, so it has to be set on automatic. So if yours was not on automatic, set it to automatic. Once you do that, you can then simply click apply, then start, for it to start running again. And if that does not work, what you're going to do now is that you want to search for device manager. So go over to the start menu and search for device manager, click on it. Then once you do that, you want to click on the audio inputs and outputs option, and then select your speakers, the one you're using. And then what you're going to do is that you want to click on the update driver. So you can select the speaker you're using and then right click on it and select update driver. And then you can simply then select the one that says search automatically for drivers, and that will search if there's any updates ready for your audio outputs. Or you can simply click on the search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and that will take you to the Windows Update, and if there are any updates that needs to be updated, it will let you know and you can simply update it. And then what you can do again is that you can then simply also right click on the speaker using and click on update driver, and then this time select browse my computer for updates, and then select this one that says let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then you can simply click on audio endpoint and then click on next, and then it will tell you whether your device, your audios are up to date or not. And if they're not, it will give you the option to update them. Then the other option you can do is that you can simply delete or uninstall your speakers, your speaker outputs. So you can simply click on uninstall device. Then once you do that, you can then simply go over to the action tab, and then you can then simply click on the scan for hardware changes, and then that will let you know if there are any updates, and that will simply reinstall this option right over here, and that should fairly fix your problem. So if you found this video helpful or it helped you, please comment down in the comment section below, like the video, share it with someone who needs help, and in that case, thank you for watching. I'll see you in further or future tutorials.